Sophisticated and refreshing. Today's cocktail is made from Campari, sweet vermouth, and Prosecco. It's called the Negroni Sbagliato or the Negroni mistake. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. On this channel, we teach you all about celebrating. We share recipes for food, hors d'oeuvres, cocktails, and we share entertaining tips. We try and keep everything really simple, especially for those of you who say that you can't cook or entertain, because we know you really can. So if you like this episode, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and get a new episode every single week. So today, we're not in the kitchen, we're here in the bar at LG Manor. My friend Valenturtle and I are getting ready to plan our Valentine's dinner. Now normally, we do a kind of a fancy, sophisticated dress-up dinner party. So I'm looking for cocktails that are red. Red, the color of love, right? So there's pomegranates, martinis, there's Cosmos, they're all boring. So I found a Negroni. Now this is a classic Negroni. It's made from equal parts of gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth. Very strong and meant to be sipped over a very long time. That's good, but not really what I want. So let's put this aside. Let's get rid of the gin. I know, me getting rid of gin, right? We're going to make today something called a Negroni Sbagliato. My Italian is terrible, but that word, Sbagliato, translates to mistake. And the story goes that there was an Italian bartender who was making a Negroni, and instead of using gin, he used Prosecco. Before I get started, let's talk about Campari. This is Campari. This is a liqueur, an aperitif maybe. It's very, very bitter, but it's also kind of delicious, and it's red. So let's get started. We're going to put some ice in our pitcher here. Or try to anyway. Okay, that's a good amount. We're going to do 1 part of Campari. And you know, with cocktails, it's all about the ratios. What's 1 part? I'm using 1.5 ounces today. You can do cups. You could do the whole bottle and make it in a punch bowl and have this wonderful, beautiful punch. So 1 part of this. Right in. Sweet vermouth. 1 part. This will soften the bitterness of the Campari. You've seen me use sweet vermouth before. You know, buy it in smaller bottles at first. Keep it in the fridge because once it's opened, the clock starts ticking. All right, that's our sweet vermouth and our Campari. I'm going to give it just a little stir. Now, Prosecco. This is the fun part. 3 parts Prosecco. Now you could eyeball it, but I'll be proper and measure it today. 1, 2, 3. And we'll give it just a little gentle stir. Just gently. Alrighty. Now, since we upgraded this drink with the Prosecco, I'm going to upgrade it to a nice big crystal goblet. Let me put some ice in the goblet after I make room. Okay. nice and full. We're going to strain this. Isn't that beautiful? And we're going to garnish it with some oranges. I have these beautiful Cara oranges that are almost pink. It's right there. Another one, another piece right here. Now, wow. Now let's give this one a taste. Wow, that is delicious. The oranges and the Prosecco soften the Campari. So the bitterness of the Campari is just kind of in the back of your throat. And then it's this beautiful, bright orange, a little sweet, and very refreshing cocktail. This is a great way to start a party. So that's our recipe for today. Now, as always, we'll have this up in the comment section of YouTube. And we will have pictures all over Facebook too. So follow us on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. We love to hear from you. Why don't you make a screwed up mistaken Negroni, serve it at your next party, and send me some pictures. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for joining us. I'm your host, Peter Lee. We'll see you next time, Tuesday night, 7 p.m. Cheers!